Hi guys, this is Compound Interest Stock Guy, and today we're going to talk about the top winners for percent gains, and then we're going to go to the top losers as well. But first off, we're going to start off with their Tier 2 index, the market caps, and who's running that show. And you guys better be ready for liftoff. So yeah, again, this is a Compound Interest Stock Guy. This is my channel. I have over 40 videos, so if you want to cruise through my channel, I got a lot of videos on a lot of different subjects. Give me a thumbs up. Again, I'm not a financial advisor, and do not buy or sell because I talk about a stock on this channel. Buy because you did your research. So let's get to it. Okay, so the number one spot is Kronos Group, and they did 2.5 billion. That's their market cap. Hexo Corp is 955 million. See, a lot of this money it hasn't been added to their market cap with the Altria deal, so that's why it's not like when Altria money gets passed to them, they're gonna be close to about like 4.5 billion or so. So Green Organic Dutchman is 686 million, and Hexo 955 million, and OGI is 602 million Organigram, and Terracent is 562, and Supreme Cannabis, they will be eligible for the uplist to the Tier 1. They just haven't been nobody's like sent them an email, or they just haven't figured it out. But this is New Cannabis Ventures. This is a great site. I want to explain as well. You can find a lot of information on here. You can find the Tier 1 and the Tier 3. It's a great resource. And as well, who should be allowed to be on the Tier 1 as well as Hexocorp, because they did 6.8 million. In order to be a Tier 1 LP, you need to do $4 million, and you need to have your sales license for marijuana. So yeah, this is then Fire is at 379. EMH is 367 million. Flower Corporation 364. Namaste 258 million. HIP 228 million. And I think next quarter for sure HIP is going to be on that. Will be eligible to be on the list because they did 3.4 million last quarter. So I think they're definitely gonna beat that next quarter. Reporting in the springtime. Aleafia Health, which is joining forces with that Emblem, 219 million. Vivo Cannabis, 203 million. They had a great day, up 20.69%. Wayland was down 4%, and they're down to 183 million market cap. And WeedMD is 131 million. And WeedMD had a great day. They were up 10 cents, and they getting a lot closer to Wayland, because they used to be like 100 million disparity, and now they're only at 52 million. So yeah, it's interesting. And Emblem Corp 120 million, and Delta 9 Cannabis had a great day, up 20%, 102 million market cap. Invictus MD 88 million, and Harvest One at 73,749. I am an investor of Harvest One. I believe in the company. I'm happy that they're above 40 cents. Golden Leaf, because that's probably their resistance level, somewhere around 40 cents. So I'm hoping if all the companies can break out from these levels, I mean, if you're to look at this website maybe in a month, I'm hoping that all these numbers are up like 2 to 3 times. That'd be great. And Golden Leaf Holdings at 70 million, and 48 North at 61 million. And yeah, James WCCA 56 million, and Even Co at 56 million, and TAC Biomet at 41. I think Even Co is very undervalued in this list because they're gonna grow to 1 million square feet, and yeah, they haven't been able to send all their product to the provinces because Health Canada held them up. But in the next couple of weeks, they're going to be sending it to Newfoundland, So yeah, keep them on your radar. TAC Biomed International is 41,709, and then Believe's only at 9 cents because they did a forward split. I've seen them as high as like 250, and Benchmark Botanics is at 23 cents, 32 million, and Indiva Limited is at 30 million. And Blisco at 29, and Viridium at 27. A lot of these stocks, you can also buy warrants in them if you want to understand warrants better. I do have a video in my channel that talks about stock warrants for people that aren't familiar with stock warrants, and I go over a lot of them. I know in Diva you can buy stock warrants. So what warrants do is then it gives you upside leverage if it goes up. There's all these rules. You can get a lot of information on that video. So I hope you watch that video if you want to know more about warrants. It's a great resource that I believe in. And yeah, so that is the list, okay? Because people never think about the warrants, but you gotta understand that you don't have to pay as much money, and if it gets close to the strike price, then you're gonna make tons of money. But yeah, Vivo Cannabis the biggest winner out of the group at 20.69%, and Delta 9 was also here, but not all the companies get listed on here. For some reason, they just aren't announced. And Emerald Health Therapeutics is at 18%, and Merrimit is at 17%, and T-God did 15.85%, and New Strike at 15%, and Hexo at 13%, and Afria with GGB trying to buy them out at 12.55%, and Supreme Cannabis at 11%, and Origin House at 10.83%, and Isolio at 10.83%. Okay, so I believe going into next week, it's gonna be the last day to trade in the year is on Monday, and then we're gonna start a new season, new year. And what you need to watch for is that in tax law season will be officially over, and then as well with investors who put money into their TFSA, if they were maxed out, they're going to be allowed to put another $6,000 for 2019. So there could be a lot of money coming into the market, and there's also probably going to be like budgeting for institutions and firms where they can buy up different stocks that they'll get probably budget money. So there could be a lot of money coming into the market come early 2019. Again, it's that's just speculation. I mean, it could go down. Anyways, this is my video about the top winners, and yeah. Then I also went through the LP Tier 2 index for marijuana companies, and I hope you enjoy this video. If you like this, please give me a like. It helps my channel grow. And yeah, subscribe for future content and entertainment, and we'll see you another day. Peace.